Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa brava. This classic Spanish sauce is known for its vibrant color and spicy kick. It's the perfect accompaniment to many dishes, especially the famous patatas bravas. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to achieving that authentic, rich flavor. Get ready to elevate your culinary skills with this delicious recipe. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and several cloves of garlic. A red bell pepper adds sweetness, while smoked paprika is vital for that authentic flavor. Don't forget a good quality chili powder or a pinch of cayenne for the desired level of spiciness. Now, let's cook. Start by roasting or sautéing your tomatoes, onion, garlic, and bell pepper until they are beautifully softened. Once cooled slightly, transfer them to a blender with the smoked paprika and chili powder. Blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. Then, simmer the sauce gently for at least 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and deepen. Your homemade salsa brava is now ready to enjoy. It's traditionally served warm over crispy patatas bravas, but it also makes a fantastic accompaniment to grilled chicken, fish, or even as a dip for crusty bread. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Savor the rich, spicy taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.